It's been a cool start to the new year. Some areas welcomed 2026 with a snow, but a Pennsylvania town experienced some thunder snow. This video from Freeport shows lightning caught flashing earlier today. The National Weather Service said that snow squall would cause low visibility in the region. Snow, that's something pretty rare, here in our area.
Yes. Much less thunder snow in our area. It takes a lot of energy in the atmosphere to get thunder and lightning in the cold weather that you're dealing with right now. But as far as our forecast locally, we are going to be looking at a warming trend. We have a lot of sunshine out there right now. Here's the view from our Savannah camera overlooking Tybee Island. Blue sky out there right now. We are seeing some clouds that will try to move in overnight, moving in from the west. That activity that's over Birmingham that will filter out the moonlight just a bit as we do head closer to tomorrow morning. More clouds will be with us through the day tomorrow, but even with that, temperatures will be even warmer than where we are right now. Lower 60s for the most part, 64 degrees for us here in Savannah, 67 though for Richmond Hill. So definitely a nice trend in the temperatures for today after starting out down into the lower 30s for most locations. But for our Friday, that cloud cover will be thick for us at times. There is the chance that we do have a few showers on and off throughout the day, but the rain chances will really hold off until we get to the weekend. But temperatures warming into the middle and upper 60s for highs, and that trend continues into the weekend, even with those rain chances building in, especially for the day on Saturday. And some of that rain will be heavy in the late afternoon and into the evening hours, and then we dry out going to Sunday, and it looks like we will get back into a drier pattern for the most part throughout next week, other than at the end of the week. That's when we might have a couple of showers building into the region once again, but those chances at this point less than 20%. So a warmer Friday is expected with a few spotty showers. High pressures down to the south. That is driving that wind in from the west, southwest for us this afternoon. That'll be the trend throughout the day Friday ahead of the next storm system, which will move in on Saturday. This is what we are tracking. That will bring us that potential for heavy rain at times as it slides from the west to the east. It will pick up more moisture from the Gulf. So right now, not looking too impressive on the satellite and radar imagery, but more rain will be developing as it does move to the east. So Saturday is going to be a rainy day. Scattered rain is likely. A few isolated thunderstorms are possible as well. And the main timing for the bulk of the rain will be Saturday afternoon and into the evening hours. And those rainfall totals could be between a half an inch to an inch of rain. And in thunderstorms, we might see even slightly higher rainfall amounts than that, which will be beneficial because of the drought that has been persistent across the region. So here we are. Vipercast shows us tomorrow we'll have the clouds around, a few showers on and off possible in the late afternoon and into the evening hours. Don't really count on that for tomorrow, but as we head into Saturday, we will start off dry with a wind out of the south. Temperatures warm into the upper 60s, lower 70s before lunchtime, and already a few pockets of showers will be developing around lunchtime, but more rain will start to move in during the middle to the later afternoon hours, and that's when we do have that potential for some heavier rain setting up that will continue into the early evening. And then Saturday night, the winds shift out of the north once again. That will cool us off a bit more as we head into very early Sunday morning, but overall temperatures are going to be staying pretty close to normal as far as those lows and our highs going into the first part of next week, but warmer as the week goes on. For tonight, clear and cold with a light breeze developing. Temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. A few spotty showers possible for tomorrow with the high temperatures in the middle and upper 60s. Even warmer for Saturday as those rain showers and thunderstorms move in during the later part of the day. Then for Sunday, upper 50s to lower 60s, but then we gradually warm up once again through the later part of next week. Wednesday and Thursday have a pretty good chance of making it into the lower 70s, and it's possible by Thursday and into Friday. Middle and upper 70s are possible for parts of the area. That's a check of your weather forecast for now. We'll have another update coming up.